everyone. How are you doing in 2025? Hope you're all doing well. Well, actually, our fellow beings in California, in Los Angeles, they are suffering since their houses has been burned to ashes, and now they all wondering where they have to go. Do you think this happened naturally or God planned this? I don't think so. It is up to you. Since we all have free will, you can think your own way. While for me, I'm just giving out what is my take on this fire. Fire, fire burning bright in the forest of the night. You cannot play with fire and water, since fire can burn everything to ashes, and then water can wipe off everything. We are just human beings. We think we are so powerful, while actually the atmosphere, the if we do not stay in control, we play with fire, we play with water, and then they will come and take our life. We are just a speck of dust here. God has created us with intelligence, with our consciousness, but we come here and then we immerse in this hustle bustle of this material thing, the importance of all this glamour of this life. We forget that we are just consciousness. So your consciousness is more important than this stuff. If you want to stay safe, you want to return home to your God, to your Creator, you better take my advice. You are just not this body. This body is just a vessel for your soul to reside. So you are this consciousness, you are this awareness. Why don't focus on your consciousness every day? Meditate to train your consciousness, so your consciousness will help you get out of this matrix program that your body getting stuck. Look at the people, they are so desperate since they lost everything, their property, their money, their gold, diamond, everything cannot be taken, since they rush out, since the fire is starting to engulf the entire LA, California, the Hollywood Center been burned down. Maybe now people have to awaken that all this stuff is just temporary. They cannot bring, and that stuff will one day be wiped off. Why cling to this material, this illusion? We have to focus on our consciousness, since your consciousness is the most vital, the driving force of your life. Even your body decomposes, your consciousness travels far away land and then still exists. Therefore, consciousness is I am just this being, I am this awareness, I am this, not the body, but I am the self-awareness. As in my previous video, I talk about awaken to your consciousness. Why it is so important? It is because your consciousness is the driving force, the vital energy, the life force. This body is just electric motion driven by the consciousness. Therefore, focus more on your consciousness and awareness. Work hard day by day how to train your consciousness to awaken so you can get out of this trap. We are living in a simulation trap. They want us, the controller of this planet, this matrix and the astral are the same. The demonic being, they want us to come back, to return to this planet. Since this is the place where all the suffering occurs. People come here to not to do their mission. They forget since their memory has been wiped off before they reincarnate here. Then they start working hard, chasing money, chasing all the glitters and pentacles, since they think that all these pentacles will bring happiness. Well, actually, after getting all these pentacles and the glitter, the diamond, they still suffer, and then they think, they want love, and then they start looking for a partner. While after getting that partner, they fight with each other. They start the conflict and war zone, and then they murder each other, and then they still suffer, go to prison, and then suffer. Never-ending suffering. This is how the program ran your life. You are love. You are this consciousness. You are God inside yourself. So while you look for love, what you need is just connection. But connection is not just for your satisfaction, for your lust. The sexual thing. It is no way. Connection means that you have to apply the rule of God law, that we are all connecting, we are all united. We have to live in peace, we have to respect each other, we have to share everything with our fellow beings, even the knowledge, even the material thing. Well, people are coming here, they are so selfish, they want to accumulate all the wealth for themselves. That's why they keep doing all the corruption, stealing all the natural resources that belong to the mass, the society, and then keep it for themselves, since they are so greedy, super greedy. And then they think that bringing all the wealth will make them happy. Well, actually, they feel hollow still, since the mass has been robbed of the right to live properly, and then they also been caught red-handed doing the corruption, and then be put to jail, and then they die in suffering also. So you see, there is never-ending cycle of suffering in this planet. So why don't you wake up? If we all starting to wake up to the notion that we are just this conscious being, we are just this awareness that whatever we live, it is just temporary. All the material thing, all the luxurious thing, all the industrial thing is just temporary. You can use it, but do not be greedy. Do not be attached to it. You cannot attach to the material thing. You cannot attach to the person in your life, either your parents, your lover, your concubine. Train yourself, starting from you wake up in the morning, spend maybe 5 to 10 minutes, close your eyes, and then shut your mind for a while, and then start taking your breath. Inhale from your spine, and then up to your heart, to your throat, and then up to your top of your head. Hold for a while, and then do not forget about your subconscious. You are just this conscious. You are not this body. You are just this conscious, just travel out of this space and time. If you every day you integrate to connect to your consciousness, you will tap into infinite. You will tap into manifestation, but not manifestation in these pentacles, all the glitters. But after your consciousness being awakened, then all you want to do is just how you can bring this integration to this world, to make other people also feel the same, since we are one, and we are this never ending cycle of connection. If your fellow beings suffer, you also suffer. Tap to your consciousness, so one day you no longer want to suffer. You just want to get out as soon as possible. So when you die in peace, and then your soul get out, and then can find the sources. I mean God, not go to the astral, since astral is also the trap of the demonic in control. They also have the record of your wrongdoing, and then they pretend as if they are God, they are the angels. They will persuade you to come back, since you have to learn your lesson again. Here is not learning lesson, but you experience, since you have been persuaded to come back, return and return back, since this is the never-ending cycle. I call it a cycle of samsara, cycle of ora bora, the ring pass not, that even how hard you try, you cannot get out, since you will be trapped back to come here again and again, since they need your lower energy for their survival. If you every day living in survival mode, thinking about the memory, if you think about the memory, you are living in the past, not in the present moment or predictive future. People, why they are so addicted living in the past? Because they are familiar. The body is familiar with the past. The mind controls the body, and then the body is easily be programmed to feel familiar with everything that is connecting to the past, referring to the past memory, the past failure, the past trauma, the past fail, broken relationship, the past lover, etc. and etc. Why not living in the now, living in the present moment, and then you can train your subconscious to connect to the sources, to bring back more information so you can create. And then when the time of your cycle here need to end, you will get out and be, the soul be liberated to go back to home, that is God, not to the hell or heaven that they trap you. There is no hell, there is no heaven. There is only astral. Astral, lower astral, even the higher astral still be controlled by the demonic beings that is disguised as the angels, the saint, the God. Better go back home. Do not go. They tell you about the light. It is just the electromagnetic light, not the real light. The real light is home, home where there is only bliss, serene. You are one with your Creator. You are one with everything, and everything is all. All is one. One is all. Not just like now we are in separation, not in union. Since we are busy chasing our dream, American dream. Look at American now. What happened? Oh, there is no dream here. It is just a program dream. If you want to return home, better be prepared every day. Be conscious that you're one with your Creator. You have the power. You have the power to create. You have the power to choose. You have the power to step out of this ring. This ring, the incarnation ring. They tell you there is no reincarnation. Yeah, you are just like a moron. Believe everything. Better to find out. Do you know what is knowledge means? Knowledge means knowing that we know nothing. So we have to find out more about the truth, the essential truth. Since everything has been covered up. Good is evil, evil is good. I don't want to come back. I want to go home where we are one with our Creator. Since we have been lied about everything, about school, about money, about banking system, about medical, all the healing that comes from outside, from the pharmaceutical. It is not healing. Healing is from earth. The Mother Earth provides every healing for your body. Since your body is made of us from earth, so you better find the healings in the nature. Everything, every herbs that comes out from the earth, is suitable, not the aluminum, that nano, that technical appliances that they insert into your body is not suitable for you. Better to open your mind and then use your divine eyes to see beyond the unseen, so you can choose either this is suitable for your body or not. I don't want to take everything that the mainstream take, since do not go with the mass. You have to choose the narrow path. That is the path of God, the path of truth. Why go with the many and then you go into the trap? You need to go alone. Better to walk alone in the jungle to find your home, to return back to God. Why human beings are so naive? They give the power to the few, and then the few control them, and now they blame the few. Nothing to blame. This is all cycle. This is all physics and correlated. So better we have to focus on ourselves, not to focus on the outside. You cannot blame and then cannot complain and then cannot curse the controller. Why? It is like shouting for silence. Can you shout for silence? I want to hear. Come here. And then just shout for silence. I will give you $10 billion. So you can buy a property in the Southern California. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm not joking. This is real. If you want to listen to me and then start doing your inner work, not to look outside, to find every answer outside, there is no way. The answer is inside. You work from here. You cultivate from your inside. And then you will find the answer. Do not look at the buildings. Do not look at the organization. Do not look at the religious organization or whoever you trust. The answer is here. You better. People can fake up. But God no. God resides inside you. So why look outside? Better connect to your inner self, your inner being, and then you can find the answer. Listen to your intuition. Ask whatever you want to know, and then you will find the answer. So start from today. Why fighting and then blaming and then cursing the authority? They won't never change. The change will start from us. If one being start doing their inner work and then will influence other beings to do the same work. If there are 100 people doing the same, and then we can start build better. Not like their slogan, build better, make America great again. Look at now, what happened there? It is great or disaster. You believe in their slogan? Not for me. I never buy into anybody slogan. It is just trick. That trickster know how to lure you into that trap. If they say that this is dangerous, you won't take it. If they say this is safe and it will save your life, and then you will be persuaded, since your mind has been blocked to think according to your inner self. Work from here, not from outside. Do not blame your partner. They also operate in the matrix system. They have been programmed to blame, to claim, to curse, to revenge, to threaten someone, and then to separate, not to unite. Remember the slogan, united we will stay stronger. If separate, we will be in ruin. So we need to stay stronger, but starting from here, not from outside. Never expect the change to come. You are waiting for God, wasting time, and the change will never come. If you want your life to change, start the change. If you want the world to change, start the change today from you and me. Okay? Today is raining hard, heavily, so I cannot go out. Actually, I want to go to church, but I cancel not to go to church today since it is raining heavily, and then hopefully everything is going to be okay. Nature is going to help us. If every day we respect nature, we treat all the beings, all the creation the same, we will live in harmony, not in disaster. So disaster is man-made, not God-made. They plan something big, all the reset is coming. So reset means to destroy everything and then build back. According to their term, build back better. Well, actually, you are suffer. You suffer the most since you lost everything that you have worked your entire life to keep the money for your retirement. But now all all has been gone with the wind. Not disappear. People disappear. The property gone, been burned down. I send my sympathy to all my fellow beings in California. May they stay strong in this hard time so they can survive the aftermath. Since if you all wake up, it is never too late. Go to your consciousness. Start working on your consciousness so you can get out of this program. Okay? This program is really not profitable for us. We will be the victim of the program. All has been manipulated, all has been designed to happen. So never regret. Go back to God. He is the only one that you can depend on. You cannot depend on your beloved, your lover, your concubine, your money or everything glitters. It's just an illusion. You have to wake up and look from the rose-tinted glasses. What is behind the curtain? There is demons. Demons is waiting to engulf you. So better you connect to your sources. Since you have to make up your mind that if you pass, you have to cross over. Stay aware that you go home, not come back. Since this is a trap, even in the astral, they prepare the trap to lure you back. That is why they delete the word reincarnation in the holy book. That promise you heaven and hell. It is just a control mechanism. Don't believe me? It's okay. Okay. I'm so happy. I pray for all people so all can awaken to their consciousness. You cannot stay attached to every feeling, every emotion, every material beings. This is just temporary. As I said before, that we are living, if we want to survive, we have to play the role of lila, like in between happiness and unhappiness, healthy and unhealthy, happy and unhappy, day and night, rain and hot season. So just flow in between, play in duality. So in moderate, not overreaction, not exaggeration, everything. Since everything is temporary, all the storm will go away. As well as if you are living in abundance, in material overflow, do not show off, do not flexing. Do not do the flexing in the application or social media. It is just a trap. Just be humble like God. Always humble. Help your fellow beings. And then if we cannot help them, you can give advice how they're supposed to survive this technological era, this transhumanity. Okay, enough for today. See you next time. Sending you lots of love. Twinkle, 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 love, love. Bye-bye.